Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, today I have a very special unboxing, and this is of the Vodool 2 Coils wireless charger. And of course, guys, the guys over at Vodool were very nice enough to send over this product for review. And as you know, guys, on the channel here, we'll just run this device through its paces to tell you whether or not you're in for a great device or not. This video will include the unboxing as well as a quick look at the device itself. You can find the full review as usual over at the blog. So let's get straight into the unboxing, guys. Before we open the box itself, let's look at the outer covering. And of course, there's a nice product preview on the front here, which is always nice. And it says Vodool Fast Charge. And of course, it says here that this fast charger is in 2 coils. Normally, when there are 2 coils, what happens is that it gives you greater flexibility in terms of you can place your smartphone at various points, and of course it will charge just the same. With 1 coil, you'd have to actually place it at a very specific point, and if you do not place it at a very specific point, the device will not start to charge wirelessly. And of course, it says here 8, and it says 2 coils design, as was mentioned just before. It says fast charge, which is always great in your chargers. Such devices such as the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and so on do support fast charging, which would mean that faster times and less time on the charger. And of course, it says here change horizontal or vertically, meaning you can charge both way with your phone either standing up or turn to the side. And something that I like very much here that was added is a high efficiency cooling fan. Now, of course, when you're using fast charging, your device tends to heat up, and this does address that. So the guys at Vodool were nice enough to actually include something like that to keep your phone cool while it charges up fast. All right, at the top of the box, you notice there's blue. At the side here, there's the white accents. Nice. And of course, there's nothing towards the back. Here again, you can see here it runs through the product specifications. I will not read through all of this, but you can always pause and read this for yourself. It gives you the dimension. And of course, what's inside the box, it says here we have USB Type-C cable. That's always nice for increased power delivery and so on. User manual, and of course, there's the wireless charge stand. All right, so let's just find the tab here to open up this box. And there we go. Right away, the box does open up quite easily. And let's see what's in here. As promised, there is the Vodool charger here. I'll put this aside. And of course, there is the USB here, which is USB Type-C, of course, and there's the manual. Quite a simple presentation. Well, let's get straight into it. And it says here Vodool Fast Wireless Charger, user manual. And of course, along with everything here, you notice that it does give you a breakdown of the product. And of course, it shows you can connect it in various ways, such as your laptop, the PC, or just connect to a adapter onto the wall. It does show you a breakaway here to show the coils, of course, and so on. But all of this is a standard, so we're going to put this aside. Next, we have the USB here. Comes in this cool Ziploc type bag, and let's verify whether or not it's USB Type-C. Yes, it's USB Type-C, so that's always nice to see again. And of course, here is the device itself, which is the Vodool charger. All right. First of all, guys, this is quite sturdy and weighty to the hand. I've had several of these devices. This one feels very sturdy. And I like the unique design. It almost looks like a award or a trophy or of some kind. Right here at the back, you can see these ventilation holes. There's some screw points. And of course, at the back here, it says fast wireless charger, stand. And of course, at the front here, you see these grates. And of course, these grates seem to be for ventilation. I'm not sure. We're going to verify that later on. And it shows the Vodool right there on the front, which is their logo. And that's about it. All right. So next, guys, I'm just going to hook this all up. So let me just unwind this. And so we have hooked up everything here, as you can see, with the Vodool fast wireless charger. I'm just going to plug it in now to see what actually happens. So just listen. And of course, you do notice this light down here as soon as it's plugged in. And I do feel something like airflow. We'll verify that in a second. The light does go out after a while. And as you can see here, guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I'm just going to unlock right here. And right here, I'm just going to place it on the Vodool fast wireless charger. And there you go, guys. It does charge right away, which is very fast detection. And it does say charging. And of course, let's see what's happening. if we're actually getting fast wireless charging. And as you can see, it says fast wireless charging right on screen there. You can verify for yourself. Let me just show you. Notice it says fast. Let me just zoom. Focus. It says fast wireless charging, and it says this will charge in, of course, 1 hour 53 minutes until fully charged, and that's from 39 minutes. And again, guys, if I feel at the sides here, I can actually feel and hear a very faint fan, not very loud, but just nice enough to keep the device cool. And I think the addition of the fan so far is a solid idea, as of course with fast charging or any form of fast charging, these devices tend to heat up and you do not want your device to overheat, so it wouldn't hurt to actually have a fan built in. And let me just give you a second to listen for yourself what the fan sounds like, if you can actually hear it. And there you go. It's just a very small hum that you would never hear unless you're super sensitive to sound, and of course it's negligible at best. All right, let's try turning this to the side. And there you go again, guys. It does charge from the side as indicated. It does indicate that it's still charging, and you do see the charge icon. And of course the guys over at Vodool has done a very solid job, and I must commend them on these innovative features that they have included. Alright guys, just some quick notes. Number one, notice that whenever anything is connected, you do see the green LED down here, and it does stay lit for a while. And of course, two guys, or something else I've realized is that with the Vodool fast charger is that make sure that you connect this device to a your original Samsung charger. So for example, with the case of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, I actually use my inbox charger, and of course if you do not have that, you can always connect it to your PC or laptop or so on. It doesn't really matter as long as you use the recommended charger that came with your device. Overall, I'm loving the device. My phone has been charging, and while it does eat up normally, the Vodool charger is doing a very fine job. And I hope you guys have realized too that even if you have on a case, and as you can see here, my device does have on a solid plastic case, it's still charging quite easily, and there's no problem with having to always be shifting my device around to try to find the perfect charge spot, as it's as two coils, and those coils are set in such a way that no matter where I place this, it will easily and simply find the device and charge, so I don't have to be worrying about the perfect position, which is something that's always a flaw with other devices. I have tested several of these, and some of them actually have that problem where you can't seem to find the sweet spot. Others are not so sensitive as with the case, and as you see, the charger is so good that it will work even if you have your case on. And of course this speaks a lot about the case that you have as well. If you want to know about this case, I'll have a link to that, the video unboxing and overall review. But overall guys, I give Vodool top marks. They have included stuff that you'll never have thought of, such as the extra cooling, which is a plus. They also have included the ability that this does work even through your case. And next guys is that they include two coils, and those coils are so set that you can move the device around, turn it to the side, and it still charges, along with the inclusion of USB Type-C, which includes faster power delivery, the LED light, and of course the ability to connect this to a laptop, desktop, or even your phone adapter, and it will still work. This is a highly flexible device that I highly recommend. And of course, I want to thank the guys again over at Vodool for sending this fast wireless charger over for review. If you have any products such as this, we do these reviews over at Block Tech Tips, so you can get in contact with me, and of course I'll do a review of your product. Alright guys, Ricardo Gunner from Block Tech Tips. So then I'll set a quick tips or review this time, showing you the cool features of the Vodool fast wireless charger. It's Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.